Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe by tapping on that subscribe button below and hitting that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Today I'll be showing you what we received from our Hello Glow family from Ever Bilena.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l
So this is the new Fit to Glow Red Iced Tea, which has active ingredients like chia seeds, L-carnitine, and also psyllium husk, which helps in promoting weight loss, lowering blood sugar levels, and helps relieve constipation. So the flavor is raspberry, and I love how it's not so sweet, so it's just right, and also it's red in color. So each sachet looks like this. So each box has 10 sachets, and each box has a suggested retail price of 199 pesos. So my first impression is that I was really afraid because I might have loose bowel movement when I drink this product because it has psyllium husk. Psyllium husk is known to clean up the intestines, so whenever you drink this, you will really know that your intestines are being cleaned up because, one, you will be farting a lot. And sorry if I said that out loud. Yes, mangutot jud mo whenever you drink this red iced tea. So that's it. You will be farting a lot, especially if you have a lot of toxins inside your intestines. And also, I drank it for the first time around 9 p.m. That's before my shift. And then when I woke up the next day around 9 a.m. sad, I actually had the urge to go to the comfort room and then let go of everything there. So I can really say, so even if you take it only once, you can actually feel and experience its cleansing power. You can see a lot of wastes being flushed out from your body after drinking 1 glass of this Fit to Glow Red Iced Tea. And so this is again red iced tea, and it's suggested that you drink this cold with ice so that you can really enjoy the drink. So each sachet has 10 grams of powder, and then each serving has 38 calories, 3% sodium, which is 16 milligrams, sugar of 2 grams. So mo ni siya ang serving size, 10 grams per sachet. So as I mentioned a while ago, it has chia seeds, and remember, if you take chia seeds or drink chia seeds, it will make you feel full, mura kag busog, feeling nimo busog ka. So that's why people who go on a diet actually prefer to have cold water with chia seeds in it. They feel full and dili sila dali gutmon, and they won't crave for food. So chia seeds, if you did not know, has high fiber source. It's appetite suppressant. That's what I mentioned a while ago. That's how I explained it. And one of the highest source of plant-based omega acid, which is also good for our body. Next is L-carnitine. It improves metabolism, it burns fat, and help the body convert fat into energy. So, ma-improve in your metabolism, which means your body will be able to burn fat faster than the usual pace. So that's what the benefit is of L-carnitine. So that's why people who go on a diet always look for supplements which has L-carnitine in it, because it helps them lose weight fast. And lastly, psyllium husk. So it will act as broom inside your intestines. Silhigan niya ang inyuhang mga tinai, sa mga hugaw na milit diha sa kilid-kilid. And then afterwards, it will flush out all the toxins, all the wastes, day after you drink this red iced tea. So, if you did not know, psyllium husk helps manage cholesterol levels and enhances digestive health for better metabolism. So, all 3 active ingredients will help you out whenever you drink this Fit to Glow Red Iced Tea from Hello Glow. So, you can actually look for Hello Glow in Lazada, in Shopee, and also Everbilena direct sales. And you don't have to worry because it is FDA approved, which means it is safe to consume. However, there is a disclaimer that this drink is not good for lactating moms, breastfeeding moms, and pregnant women. So before I forget, this is already available in Watson's for the price of 199 pesos per box. So I'd like to thank our family from Hello Glow for sending 2 boxes over to let me try out their latest product. I'm looking forward to more products from you guys, and I really appreciate you partnering with me in these ventures. So thank you so much once again, lovies, for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to leave that like, and if you have any questions regarding this product, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to hit that like and follow button. And if you wish to show your support to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog, lovies.
My
Bye!
darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.